Good evening and happy Memorial Day, Gulf Coast. I'm meteorologist Patrick Fitzgerald with a look at your local forecast for this evening. Over the past few hours across our radar, we've had quite a lot of activity move across the Florida Panhandle, prompting even some tornado and severe thunderstorm warnings for the portions of that area. But other than that, we are dry across Mobile, maybe some light showers across the bay as well as getting down towards Dauphin Island, and also with some widespread aerial flood advisories out for portions of Mississippi as well as the Florida Panhandle outside of our DMA. We do have a flash flood emergency that I do want to point out. While this is technically not in our DMA, Hattiesburg and Western Forest County, if you are within that region, please be seeking higher ground, as this is a particularly dangerous situation and you should be taking your proper precautions tonight. That will go until 10 o'clock. With our temperatures, we're sitting in the low 70s right now, low to mid 70s, especially as you get down towards the coast, and also it is very humid outside with low 70s dew points being observed across the entirety of the viewing area. Now, this rain trend is unfortunately not going to stop over the next few days. As we take a look at our future view, you can see by your afternoon commute tomorrow is going to be quite unsettled up and down the I-10 and I-65 corridors with some moderate to heavy rainfall. Rain showers moving through. Evening commute's going to be pretty much the same thing. We'll have a reprieve throughout Wednesday and some breaks in the clouds, but it's going to be generally cloudy throughout the next coming days here. Now, as we go towards Thursday afternoon, we are going to have a return to showers creeping into the area, but it will be on more on the spotty side as we go throughout Thursday evening. Now, Friday morning across Mobile and that I-10 corridor, I-65 corridor, especially for your morning commute, there may be some power showers moving through as we also translate into the afternoon. So definitely keep an eye out for that for your Friday afternoon as well as Friday morning commute plans. Rain chances are not going to drop a significant amount over the next few days, with 80 to 90% chance, pretty much 70 to 90% chance of rain being expected on a widespread scale over the next few days. We will thankfully drop those chances as we head towards next week, but we're still going to have that potential for unsettled weather over these next coming days, and these dew points are also going to be very high in the mid 70s, which is going to make things very muggy and very humid outside, which will also make our temperatures feel very high, very hot in the low to mid 90s. Especially across Wednesday and Thursday. We'll drop off a little bit on Friday, but as we go towards Saturday and Sunday, it's going to feel like 90 once more. And for a big picture with our expected rainfall, generally widespread 3 to 4 inch totals can be expected, but for Mobile, especially across northern portions of the I-65 corridor in Mobile County, could be even seeing higher isolated totals of perhaps 5 to 6 inches. And with the 7-day forecast, like I said, it's going to be pretty much the same thing. We're going to have heavy rainfall and thunderstorm chances over the next few days, high chances for rain with very humid conditions. And we will have a little bit of reprieve as we go into the work week next week, but still feeling quite warm and cloudy.